We appear on behalf of News 24 and Daily Maverick, which are news and current affairs platforms that have been covering the Commission. We do have a mandate to oppose the granting of the order in the form that it currently takes. I confirm everything that Mr. Chaskelson has said. We will endeavor to have an answer with him by 1 p.m. And then, as he says, we'd be in the hands of the commissioners as to whether you would like to hear oral argument from us tomorrow.
Will that be an answer plus written argument or written argument around 5, which is the time the evidence leaders will be filing a reply and written argument? Will you have written argument around 5 as well?
I think we would hope to do that. We would hope to accomplish that. We can certainly, if I can find counsel who isn't already engaged in court tomorrow, we will start working obviously on our argument as soon as we've submitted, and then hopefully I'll receive from Mr. Chaskelson their argument, and we can just quickly modify anything we have, and then have it to you shortly thereafter.
Yeah, but for the intimation that the evidence leaders would want this finalized as soon as possible. When we conferred before coming down here, we tentatively thought that we would give both sides 9 p.m. As time for the filing of written argument.
That would be very gracious, and I would be quite grateful.
Thanks, Chair. We never refuse additional time.
Yeah. About whether we will then give a decision, a written decision without argument, I think we need to confer outside of here, and we will communicate our decision in due course.
That's fine. Yeah. Sure. Just continue with you. He's happy if we decide to do it in chambers. He's not insisting on it. Did you just check him to confirm that he's not insisting to be heard in argument?
Mr. Du Plessis, do you think you will be insisting on being heard, that is argument, oral argument before us, or would you be happy with a decision on paper?
I think at this stage we'd be happy with a decision on paper.
All right.
Justice Mutamba.
Thank you very much.
Let's find out. We don't want to be surprised that there are other media houses later on that also want to just get clarity from them if this is the only one. I think it is. I think it is. We don't want to encourage them. Is that good? Okay.
We should adjourn then. Yeah. We will adjourn and await I'll use the plural, which is what the Americans do, and await the filings. Let's adjourn.